Since its inception 29 years ago, Haldia Institute of Technology has stood as a beacon of knowledge, nurturing thousands of minds eager to explore the frontiers of engineering and technology. Haldia Institute of Technology was founded by Dr. Lokpon Chongro Seth, a visionary leader, former member of parliament, and dedicated social worker. Together with the late Mrs. Tomalika Ponna Seth, former chairperson of Haldia municipality, and Mr. Ashish Lahiri, secretary, they embarked on a bold mission to transform the landscape of technical education in the region. Overcoming initial challenges, they established HIT, the first private engineering college in West Bengal, under the banner of iCare, on 25 September 1996, laying the foundation for a brighter future. HIT began with a clear mission to build a center of excellence in science, technology, and management education, cultivating dynamic human resources of global standards, ready to embrace new challenges. Starting with just 90 students across three disciplines: computer science and engineering, chemical engineering, and instrumentation engineering. HIT's journey was inaugurated by the then Honorable Education Minister of West Bengal. Since its inception, HIT keeps on creating new milestones. In 2001, the main building was constructed. In 2004, HIT got the first cycle NBA accreditation for chemical engineering, computer science engineering, electronics communication engineering, and applied electronics instrumentation engineering. UGC2F recognition was received in the same year. HIT was selected for Tech IP World Bank first cycle. 2005 fetched the first cycle NAC accreditation. Second cycle NBA was received for mechanical engineering, biotech, applied electronics instrumentation engineering, computer science engineering, electronics communication engineering, and chemical engineering. In 2011, HIT received UGC 12B recognition. In 2012 received NBA for EE. Second cycle NAC, A grade, in 2016. From 2017 to 2018, NBA was received for biotechnology, chemical engineering, computer science engineering, mechanical engineering, production engineering, applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics communication engineering, and electrical engineering. In 2018, HIT was selected as a mentor institute by NAC. The institute got the autonomous status for 10 years from UGC in 2019. To build a robust ecosystem for nurturing innovation and startups, the AICT Idea Lab has been established in 2021. In 2022, HIT has received A-grade accreditation from NAC till December 2025. The institute has been selected as the host institute by MSME with 7 product development project worth Rs 2.05 crore. From its humble beginnings, HIT has grown exponentially. Today, the institute boasts state-of-the-art laboratories, high-speed campus-wide Wi-Fi, modern workshops, and AV-equipped classrooms. We ensure a secure and supportive environment with separate hostels for both genders, a digital-rich central library, and dedicated departmental libraries. Our research and development wing fuels innovation, while physical well-being is nurtured through multi-gym facilities and expansive playgrounds. The vibrant cultural life at HIT is highlighted by Riviera, our annual cultural festival, attracting renowned personalities and performers. Spread across 37 acres of land, Haldia Institute of Technology is nestled in Haldia, an industrial hub in eastern India, providing an inspiring setting for education and innovation. HIT's commitment to excellence is reflected in its remarkable achievements and robust academic framework. Recognized by the National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF) under the Ministry of Education, Government of India, HIT proudly stands in the rank band 201 to 300 in India Rankings 2024 for the engineering category. Our dedication to high standards is further underscored by the accreditation of 4 premier undergraduate programs by the National Board of Accreditation (NBA) under Tier 1, including B.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and Biotechnology, valid from the academic year 2023 to 2024 to 2025 to 2026. The Institute's academic strength is bolstered by a dedicated team of 323 faculty members, 80 technical supporting staff, and 169 officers and non-teaching personnel, all contributing to a nurturing and innovative learning environment. HIT's impressive R&D efforts include 51 completed projects worth Rs 887.24 lakhs and 9 ongoing projects valued at Rs 207.71 lakhs, reflecting a strong culture of research and innovation. We offer 14 undergraduate programs with an intake of 1560 students and 9 postgraduate programs with an intake of 204, bringing our total student strength to 6750. With a commendable placement rate, Haldia Institute of Technology continues to empower students for a successful future. The alumni of Haldia Institute of Technology are trailblazers, contributing to a wide range of industries across the globe. From engineering marvels to cutting-edge research, entrepreneurship to social impact, our students continue to leave their mark on the world. HIT's legacy is carried forward by these exceptional individuals whose knowledge, skills, and dedication are shaping the future. Haldia Institute of Technology takes immense pride in its alumni who have contributed to India's prestigious space missions, Chandrayaan-3 and Aditya L1. Boran Bishash, Suhas Mukherjee, Anurag Patra, Abhijit Mitra, and Proshan Kumar Nag have played crucial roles in these groundbreaking achievements, advancing the frontiers of space exploration. We also celebrate Dr. Arpita Patra, who recently conquered Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak, as part of the inspiring expedition Aparajita. Her triumph symbolized the spirit of resilience and excellence that defines our alumni. We congratulate these trailblazers for their remarkable achievements. As HIT celebrates 29 years of excellence, we look forward with ambition and purpose. We are committed to evolving with the rapidly changing educational landscape, embracing new technologies, and fostering an environment of continuous learning and innovation. Our vision is not just to prepare students for careers but to shape them into leaders, innovators, and change makers of tomorrow.